High-mix format variation is not temporary. It is becoming the new operating model. Across premium food categories, portfolio expansion continues. Many brands expect to introduce 57 new format variations over 5 years. Batch sizes shrink, product life cycles shorten, format diversity increases. At the same time, regulatory pressure intensifies. Material transitions alter sealing parameters. Retailers demand tighter tolerances. Traceability requirements increase system data load. Complexity is rising from multiple directions. Traditional high-volume decisions prioritize peak throughput. But in high-mix environments, rated speed becomes secondary. What determines competitiveness is sustained performance under variability. Effective stable throughput becomes more relevant than theoretical output. As format frequency increases, changeovers multiply, parameter resets increase. Cleaning expands. Material transitions introduce sealing variability. Even without visible breakdowns, effective capacity erodes. Small percentages compound. Integration becomes critical, not as connectivity, but as architecture. Balanced buffers, engineered changeover sequencing, aligned control logic between dosing and sealing, data systems that reflect mechanical reality. The lines that succeed over the next decade will be architected for variability, not optimized only for speed. The competitive advantage will not belong to the fastest lines. It will belong to the most resilient systems. The question is no longer, how fast can the line run? It is our system engineered for the next decade of variability? Design the line. Protect the investment.